Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you my KDP income report for the month of September 2020. I am here in the KDP dashboard and here I will show you first the day by day units or royalties units sold, and then next I will show you the total units, and finally I will show you my royalties and then my expenses and then my net profit. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's get started. So I am here in the report section of KDP. It says September 3 to October 3. Just start it by September 1st to September 30th and then apply, and let's see. September was quite slow as compared to August and July. So you can see here it started with 12 units, then 10, 6 units. Things started to go down slowly. 6 unit, 2 units only, 3, 6 units and 3 units, and here was a very good day. I sold 22 units, then 4, then 5 again, and 12, and 6 again, 5 units, and 6 on September 16, 7 units, 3 units only, and 10 units again, good day, 4 units, another good day, 15 units on September 20th, again 10 units, 9 units, 9 units of paperback, and 7 units of paid units shipped via expanded distribution. So overall 16 units, 7 units on 24th, 8 units, 4 units, 5, 6 again, and on the last day 10 units. So let's see the total units sold. This is KDP beta, reports beta, and this shows the current month of October. Let's select the last month. We're going to custom and then go to September 1st and September 30th and hit apply. So overall I sold 220 units, and you can see the dip during the first week and the second week. You can say the first 2 weeks were very slow, on average very slow, and the second 2 weeks were a bit good one. So overall I sold 220 units, and let's see the royalties. This is for current month, and just click on the last month, and just you can see $408.68. This was my total income from Kindle Direct Publishing. Low and no content publishing income is $408.68. You can see from these graphs that the month was very slow during the first week and second week, and afterward things started picking up. So overall I am satisfied with this because I am earning above $400 in passive income without doing any hard work. So let's check out our advertising. I mostly advertised on Amazon.com, and my spend was $49.24, and sales were 166.75. A cost was a bit high. Usually my A cost remains at 26, 25 or 27, and in this month I tested new ad sets. That's why my spend not my spend, but my A cost went high, a bit high. So let's check out our net profit. 408.68 408.66 minus the advertising cost 49.24, that is 359.42. I also have Creative Fabrica subscription, so -9, and I also have Adobe Photoshop subscription, that is for $22 almost. So this is my total profit for the month of September. I earned $408, and from $408, after deducting all the expenses including subscription, I have only subscription of Creative Fabrica for getting fonts and crafts, graphics, coloring book pages, things like that. And I also have subscription for Adobe Photoshop because I am not using Canva nowadays. I am making my covers in Adobe Photoshop, and in in coming days I will be making videos on design, cover design, because during these last few months I have learned some skills about learned some things about graphic design, and then that also apply to the cover design. So I will be sharing you some tips on typography, which means selection of fonts, and I will be making a video on color selection, color matching, and element placement on the cover design. And I also will be showing you the rules of thirds and many things I have learned during last 3 or 6 months, and that is improving my cover design a lot. So these are some tips and tricks about cover design, because your cover design is very much important. Cover design or graphic design is also applies to your interior. So your interior and your cover design is very important for making sales. That's why I will be making a video on making not one video, but I will be making a series of videos in parts 1, parts 2, and things like that on cover design, so that you will create good cover designs and will make more royalties. Because once a customer sees your cover, if he or she doesn't like it, he or she will not click on your cover. If your cover is not getting clicks, you will not be getting sales, no matter how much you have worked hard on your interior. If your cover is bad, you are not getting clicks, that's why you are not getting sales. So keeping this in view, the importance of the cover design, I will try my best to make as much videos as I can about cover design that will include the basic design skills. You can also learn design skills from Skillshare, and there are very good courses here on Skillshare you can take. I will leave a link in the description. If you want to use Skillshare, you can access 2 months of free Skillshare by going to the link in the description of this video. That is all from me today. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.